Here is it, copy, paste, that's other 3, and that's other 3. We have 9 buttons now. What we need, as you see, there is a red line under each one of them. We count, this was the 3rd one, this will be 4th, and this will be 5. The ID should be changed because each one have his ID, so you know which button is selected when you play the game, so you can code it according to that button. Now here is it, all of buttons are ready as it's shown. What we need also to do, we need to change color of background and color of those buttons. As you see, we have 3 rows and they are not in center. What we will need, you can change the color from here as it's shown here. You can write background or color, it will come up and you will change it. But before that, we have another way to do that. We'll come to resources, to layout, to values, and you have color XML. What is this? This is like main place for color. You can call those colors by just writing color dot the name of it. You have here black and white here. Also, you can choose color from the internet. If we come here and if we come to any browser, if we open any browser and look for color picker, the Google, by default Google will give you a color picker. You can choose any type of it. Let's say if you want a gray or something like that, it should be something like gray, so it will be different from white. You see, this is the white and this is the gray, and each color have its own code. Let's say this is the code you needed. We copy it. When we come to here to define it, we open tag color, we name it like gray, and we close the brackets, then we paste it. Here is it, we have this gray color as it's shown. You can change it, or also you see that the color is getting changed. You can make it more darker like that. Okay, you can choose different ways, it depends on you. Just now we have white here and we have the gray here. We will close this one. We'll come to the main one, which was we'll come to the table layout. We need the table layout color for, so we know what we are doing. What we do, we'll come to the background color and we can say directly add color gray. Here is it. It will automatically change the color of it to gray. What we need also, what did we change that one? We select the main one, that's why it's become like that. Table layout, if we come to table rows, if we choose all of them, we can make it like color slash gray. It will become grays. Okay, now what we need to change, we need to change color of those buttons. We select all buttons, then we will come to background color and we say add color slash white. This color depends on you what you wanted to make, how to make it. Okay, we come to make it gray. Sorry, select it as gray. Now it's become like white. If you see, here is it, all of them. But when it's gone, you need to make merge in between those buttons and the rows also. We come to first button, you say margin of it. We have layout margin. It's mean how much it will be far away from left. Let's say 3 points. It should be 3 points. You copy this 3 points and we do same here for other buttons. We only select the margin left. Here is it. And for others also. Okay, now for other buttons as well. We do for all buttons like that. What we need also, this is how you want to design it. Also we need to make it from up also, because as you see both of them are white, so we need to make far away from each other. We'll come to others also. Here is the 9 1 from left. Okay, it's also we need little from up also. What we will do, we can select all of them together as well. We'll come to the top, margin top, and 3 points also. You see now it's good. Okay, what else we need? We need to choose these rows also. We make layout for them from top, so they become little, let's say 4 points is enough. It depends on what you want. This will choose the layout for it. Okay. Now, as we see, here is the color. Here is main activity for us for table rows. And here we go. What else we will do, we'll make it in the center. We will put it in the center, this one. We should put it in. How we'll make this one in the center? We should go and look for something named gravity. We can select the table and write gravity. You can do it either by here, right center. If it doesn't work, you can do it by code. You can choose in the center. Here will come in the center. Okay. Also, we need to make this table layout to come in little margin. Give it away. We'll give it like the left side. We'll give it 4 points also. Sorry, not like that. We'll delete this one. It doesn't come like that. Okay. Now we need to make the rows. We need to make the rows also in the center, because we can do it in different way. If we come to the code, if you see that here is it for table layout, we can copy paste for the others. Like for table rows, if you can, you will see the change. This table become in the center. Also, you can do it from here. You select the row. Alright, gravity here. All you need to check center and it will comes up. If it doesn't come up, then what you will need to do by coding, look, if sometimes doesn't come up, you need to come to the code and copy paste it for others as well. Like for this second one, if we come and check, you will see that our row is changing. If we come to other row also, see it go inside the center. Now it's okay. Now our tic-tac game, it will be like that. We delete the text, we make color of buttons white, we make it like boxes. We make 3 rows, each row have 3 buttons inside it. Each button will be with a different ID. Then we'll come to make coding for it. That's why we give each button with different name. Okay, you should check that each one have its own ID, because the coding will depend on this ID and how it will become. Also, don't forget, when we call the IDs, we need those IDs, we need to call it a main activity. So you need to work with it. How you work with it, you should also add something else here. You should go to the Gradle and build Gradle here. You should add the ID for those ones. You should add those ones because you need it to work with the IDs in the plugins. What we need, just 1 minute, and here we go. Where is it? We need to add these things to Gradle build because it doesn't work without them. You need to add Kotlin and Kotlin extension for it. Here is it, copy paste it, and when you add something in Gradle, you will synchronize it. You need to synchronize it. Now it's okay. It's synchronized now. Here is up, no problems found. Okay. We close this Gradle. You came back to main one. Those colors, it depends on you what you wanted to select and what you wanted to do with it. This was the part about how to making the layout for it. I would mention something else about the UI, the user interface. That's when we come to design, we say that we change the color from here, like here from background we give add color. Why we use this file like in values when we define it here? Because as you see now, the color is like gray. If you wanted to change it like for this color, it will change in all other. As you see, it doesn't need to change it one by one. Change all of it. Like you see, we change that one. Let's get back to, we make the bottoms white, right? If you want to make the bottoms red, let's see. We'll see all of them together will be changed. This will be easier for you than use one by one to change it. This is like you coding it in XML. That's why we choose that one. And we give each button the ID of it, so when the player try to play, when he choose the button, when it's go to code the code now which button is coming. We don't make listener for each one of them, we will make function for it. In the next part we will speak about the coding of it. See you there. Take care.